Have you ever accidentally shrunk your favorite sweater in the wash? It's the worst feeling, right? But don't throw it out just yet. I've got a super simple trick that can save it, and all you need is something you already have in your bathroom: hair conditioner. First, fill a sink or basin with lukewarm water. Not too hot, not too cold. Now, add a good squirt of hair conditioner. About a tablespoon should do it, and give it a little swirl to mix it in. The conditioner helps relax the fibers in the wool, just like it does with your hair. Next, submerge your shrunken sweater completely in the water and let it soak for about 20 to 30 minutes. This gives the conditioner time to work its magic. After it's done soaking, gently squeeze out the excess water. Don't wring it out, as that can damage the fibers. Now for the amazing part. Lay the sweater flat on a clean towel. Start to gently stretch it back into its original shape. Go slowly, working section by section, pulling the sleeves, the hem, and the body until it looks right. Once you're happy with the size, lay another dry towel on top and roll them up together to absorb most of the moisture. Finally, unroll it and lay the sweater flat on a fresh, dry towel or a drying rack to air dry completely. And there you have it. Your favorite sweater is back from the brink and ready to wear again. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more life hacks. Thanks for watching.